What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Bienvenidos. We are up close and personal today because I'm giving you my updated eyebrow routine, updated eyebrow tutorial, basically how I do my eyebrows. And I like to do my eyebrows pretty naturally filled in, but I do have to fill them in quite a bit because my eyebrows, you'll see, they're a little bit shorter on the outside. And when I was little, when I was younger, I shaved one of my eyebrows off. I know, I think it was this one because this is my struggle brow right here, but I kind of make it work. So if you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows, then just keep on watching. All right, here you can get a pretty good look at how my eyebrows look before even doing anything to them. And they don't look too bad. I'm still in the process of growing them out, but I had gotten them done, I want to say a week before filming this video. So I did have a few hairs that were kind of starting to grow out. I just go ahead and take my tweezers and pluck out any hairs that are just, you know, obviously there. I try my best to not tweeze at home and just wait until I go wax or thread, but sometimes you just kind of have to. And then from there, what I do is conceal and kind of shape a little bit. I used to do this step afterwards. Now I do this step before and after. And you're gonna see that doing this beforehand really gives you that, it gives you a guideline for where you want to fill in. And I feel like my brows come out a lot better this way. I don't fill them in as much and they look a little bit more naturally filled in. I'm using my MAC Studio Finish little pot concealer. I think the shade's NW25, and this shade really helps to also highlight the brow area. And you can just see it in the before and the after, the difference that it makes just by doing that step. My brows look a lot better than they did before. Okay, to start filling in my eyebrows, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I kind of alternate with the products that I use to fill in my brows. Some days I'll only use this pencil, other days I'll use a pomade or a powder. Today I'm going to show you how I use my pencil and the pomade along with my Ardell brow pen to create more of a dimensional brow. Now this is a little bit excessive for some people. By the way, I'm using my Benefit Kabrow pomade in this clip, but using multiple products for the brows can be a little bit excessive. I totally agree. But again, I just wanted to show you how I use the different products since, you know, I am doing a little brow tutorial. On most days, I'll just use 1 or 2 products, but the 3 that I'm showing you in this video are my current favorites. So yeah, my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in medium brown, and then my Benefit Kabrow brow pomade. That one's good to create a little bit more of a bolder brow. I usually use that one towards the outer half, you know, of my eyebrow. And then once we're done filling in the brow, for the most part, I go ahead and set my brows in place using my brow gel. I have to use a brow gel every single time because my eyebrow hairs are very curly. And then after I set them in place, that's when I go over and really clean up the brow one more time. Sometimes when I apply my clear brow gel, it can get a little messy, so I prefer to do the cleanup afterward. And then occasionally I use my Ardell feathering pen. This used to be my go-to. I still use it here and there, mainly to add very hair-like strokes, but I don't really use this one anymore to fully, you know, fill in my brow. Once I'm done with those last final touches, then I'm pretty much done filling in my brows. And that is how I do my eyebrows. I think I managed to make it work, even though, you know, I have a little bit of a struggle brow going on. Don't mind my hair. I was a little bit lazy to, you know, full on brush it, but I at least wanted to, you know, get it in eyebrow tutorial since I was doing my makeup today anyway. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope it was easy and simple to follow. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, los quiero mucho, and I will see you all in my next video. Already got the screenshot, so there is no need to deny.
chill.